Old Alabama Gardener, and this is going to be an update on my Growing Onions from Seed series. The seedlings are growing. They're growing pretty good. They're longer now. They're getting a little bit bigger around in diameter. And of course what we don't see is that they're developing good system of roots underneath the ground. Now, I have not fertilized these onion seedlings heavy because I really didn't want them to grow a lot during this winter. I wanted them to get established, grow some blades, get their roots established, and be ready for spring. The nitrogen will stimulate green growth, in other words the blades. The phosphorus will stimulate root growth, and the potassium will be there for overall plant health. As you see, I'm putting on just what I call a sprinkle. You don't want to put too much on because you could damage the plants with too much nitrogen. So we're going to put a sprinkle on, and then we'll come back in a moment and kindly work it into the top part of the soil.